Good morning and welcome to Weekly Question Time. We've got our superhero of the week and our star of the week. Good morning, boys. What class are you both in?
Barn.
Both in the Barn Owls, aren't you? Our F2 class. And what's your favourite thing to do in the Barn Owls? Playing in the sand? Yeah? What do you like doing in the sand? Digging in the sand, that's a good one. I like digging in the sand too. And what do you like doing in your class? What's your favourite thing? You like playing? Yeah, what do you like playing with? Everything? Like playing with all the toys? Yeah, good answer. Okay then, if you two was the boss of this country, what would you make everybody do? Whatever you say, what would be your first rule? What would you make everyone have to do?
No running.
No running. That's a good rule. But what about the footballers? They've got to run.
In the class.
So no running in classrooms, no running in schools. Yeah, that'd be your rule as the Prime Minister. And what about you? What do you want everyone to do?
Too dangerous.
It is too dangerous, you're right. That's why we don't run inside. Good boy. So would you make everyone not run as well? Yeah, no running inside. Good rule, that one, boys. Okay then, what makes you happy? Anything. Doesn't have to be school. What makes you happy?
At home when I play with all my toys.
So playing with your toys at home, that's what makes you happy. That's a good answer. I like playing with my toys at home as well. And what about you? What makes you happy? Say that a bit louder for me. You like playing also? Playing with your toys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you got a favourite toy at home?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favourite toy?
I don't know.
You don't know? Just lots of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, good answer. Okay then, boys. If you had £1 million, so lots and lots of money, what would you buy? What would you go and get?
A really cute baby toy.
A cute Baby Yoda toy? So you like Baby Yoda as well? Yeah, fantastic. One of them ones that move? Oh, one that you can play with on TikTok that you've seen. That's a good toy to get. What about you? What would you go and buy? So you'd buy lots and lots of toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea. Lots of different ones, big ones and small ones.
Small one.
Lots of small ones to play with. Would you share them with your brother Liam?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good at sharing, aren't you, Daniel?
Yeah.
Fantastic. If you had a superpower, what superpower would you have?
Shooting fire.
Shooting fire?
Yeah.
Why?
So Joker could be more easy to defeat.
Oh, so you'd be shooting fire to get the bad guys?
Yeah.
So you'd use it to be a superhero?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Would you like a superpower?
Yeah.
Would you like to fly? Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd like to fly?
Yeah.
Where would you fly to?
Up there.
Up there, up into the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah, away from all this rain?
Yeah.
Yeah, good thinking. Me too. One last question then, boys. If you could take somebody from a cartoon to be in your class, who would you pick? Do you watch cartoons at home?
I will pick you.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not in a cartoon. I would like to be in your class though. It does look like lots of fun. I've had people say that they want Mickey Mouse as their teacher, or Peppa Pig. I've had people say they want somebody from Paw Patrol. Any one of those to be your teacher, who would you pick?
Mickey.
Mickey Mouse. So you would like Mickey Mouse as your teacher? Squeaking around all day in your class?
No.
He's got to be quiet?
Yeah.
Yep. I think it'd be fun having Mickey Mouse. Who do you want for your teacher? What cartoons do you watch? You watch lots of them. Do you watch Fireman Sam? Do you watch Paw Patrol?
No.
Peppa Pig?
Yeah, I like Peppa
You like Peppa Pig, so would you like Peppa Pig to be in your class? Yeah, that'd be a good choice. Jumping in all those muddy puddles?
Yeah.
Yeah. One last thing to do then, boys. Give them a big wave and say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
And say Happy Easter.